Lulu Direct is a specialized platform aimed at facilitating dropshipping for e-commerce businesses, offering tools for product sourcing, streamlined order management, and efficient shipping processes. Upon entering the site, users are greeted with a simple yet functional dashboard designed for easy navigation. The platform provides access to a wide range of products across multiple categories, making it an attractive option for entrepreneurs looking to diversify their inventory without maintaining physical stock. Lulu Direct integrates with popular e-commerce platforms, including Shopify and WooCommerce, allowing for smooth synchronization of product listings and order details. One of the standout features is the automated inventory tracking, ensuring the users don't oversell items that are out of stock. Additionally, Lulu Direct provides analytics to help users monitor sales performance and optimize their strategies. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Pricing on Lulu Direct operates on a subscription basis, with different tiers depending on the level of service and support required. While the platform excels in functionality, some users report occasional delays in supplier shipping, which may require proactive communication. For those new to dropshipping, Lulu Direct offers a comprehensive knowledge base and customer support to help resolve issues. This makes it a viable choice for both beginners and seasoned entrepreneurs. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to support more content like this.